In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your YouTube constantly lagging and bugging. Now let's go to YouTube. Now it may be constantly lagging or buffering, right? So there's few methods. First, go to your App Store. Now search for YouTube. Now you can see it says it needs to update. Always update your YouTube. Just like that, I have the latest YouTube application. It can fix lots of things. Now the second method is go to your settings. Now search for apps. Now search for YouTube. Now you can see storage. Go there and you can see all kinds of data. Like the data is 500 megabytes. There's cache. Always clean cache. Don't worry, this will not log you out, but always keep clean. It can fix, you can see it's already faster. Now this works on Android and iOS devices. Thank you for watching.